Old Bez wanna be telling me that I don't know nothing about mobile installs. Check it out, man. We got the Cobra 29LX right there. We got the Kenwood TR7850 right there. Got the Kenwood. We got the Yaesu FT8900 right there. We got the battery charger. Got the gear keeper microphone holder right there, because you can see gear keeper microphone holder right there for the 2 meter. I got it right here. Cobra, Mr. Stay Wide, breaking it down right there, Mr. Stay Wide. Telling me I don't know nothing about mobile install, man. Man, take a look at that, bro. I ain't know nothing about no mobile install. You got that right, man. I don't know nothing about that mobile install.